Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn calculation of geometric mean in discrete series. X values are 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. F values are 10, 15, 18, 12, 7. So the first step we need to go for this adding of frequency. 10 plus 15 plus 18 plus 12 plus 7 is equal to 62. N value, number of observation, is equal to 62. Now the second step is log x. Log x values are, we need to take from the log table. Now here first let us consider the how many digits are there in x value. X value has only one digit. X value has only one digit. So here what we need to do, how many number of digits are there? Only one digit, n minus 1. N minus 1 means 1 minus 1, how much you will get? 0. Once again I'll repeat, number of digits, how many are there? You have to, from that you need to minus 1. So here the digits are 1, n minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 point. Next here also one digit is there. So it is also 0 point. 1 minus 1, 0 point. Here also one digit is there. So 0 point. Here also one digit is there. 0 point. Here also one digit is there. 0 point. If you have the 2 digit number, so 2 minus 1 you will be getting 1 point. Like that you need to, it depends upon the number of digits. So in this problem I have taken single digit x values. That's the reason 1 digit minus 1 is equal to 0. So that's the reason I have taken all 0 points. Now let us go to the second step in the log values. Here 2 is there. How to find out the 2 value in the logarithm table? So here what we need to do, 2 is there. So how you have to consider this one? 2 as a 20 at 0. 20 at 0. 20 at 0 you have to see in the logarithm table. Let us go to the logarithm table. So 20 at 0 is 3010. 20 at 0 is 3010. So what is the value here? 3010. Next this 3 is there. 3 means 30 at 0. 30 at 0. So 30 at 0 in the logarithm table is 30 at 0, 4771. 30 at 0. 30 at 0, 4771. 4771. Now the next table is, the next value is 5. 5 means 50 at 0. 50 at 0. 50 at 0 it is, see, look at the 50 at 0. 50 at 0 means how much it is? 6990. So write the 6990. The next value is 6. 6 means 60 at 0. 60 at 0. 7782. 7782. 7782. Next 4. 4 means 40 at 0. 40 at 0. See, 40 at 0 is 6021. 6021. 6021. So we got the log values as per the logarithm table. Now whatever the log values you got it from the in the third column, we need to multiply with f, that is frequency. So first one is 10 into 0.3010. It is 3.01. Next one, 15 into 0.4771. So 7.1565. Next one, 18 into 0.6990. 12.582. Next one, 12 into 0.7782. 9.3384. Next one, 0.6021 into 7. 4.2147. So at last we need to make the total of this column. So 4.2147 plus 9.3384 plus 12.582 plus 7.1565 plus 3.01. So we got the total is 36.30410. So which is called summation f log x is equal to. Now coming to the formula. Formula of geometric mean of discrete series is geometric mean is equal to antilog summation f of log x divided by n. So antilog is we need to see in the antilog value. Now summation f log x value is this value and n value is this value. So gm is equal to antilog 36.3016 divided by 62. So 36.3016 divided by 62 is antilog gm is equal to antilog 0.5855. We need to consider the 4 digits in geometric mean as well as in the logarithm at the antilog also. So here 4 digits are very important here. So antilog table, take out the antilog table. Antilog, how you need to differentiate this one? We should not consider the digit value. We have to consider only the decimal values. These values before decimal value, before decimal point we should not consider. We have to consider only the decimal value, that is 58 only in antilog. Coming to the log values, we should not consider. So here 58 at 5, mean difference 5. How it is going to read? 58 at 5, mean difference 5. So here 58 in the antilog table you have to take out. 58 in the antilog table. 58. Where is the 58? Here it is a 58. 58 at 5. 58 at 5 is 3846, and the mean difference in the same line is fifth one is 4. Once again I will repeat, 58 in antilog values, 58 at 5 is 3846 and mean difference is 4. So consider these values here. Consider the values here. First you have to go for the working notes. 3846, this is 58 at 5. 58 at 5 and 4 is mean difference 5. 58 at 5, mean difference 5, 4. Now we need to add 0, 1, 5, 8, 3. So the answer is geometric mean is equal to 33850. So here what we have done, 0, single digit number. If we have single digit number, n minus n is nothing but 0. So here what is the value here? 0. 0 is nothing but n plus 1. Only one digit is there. So how many is 0? 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 digit. 0 plus 0, it is 0 we have taken in the place of n, and plus 1 is as usually we need to consider, which is called 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 digit. After 1 digit you have to place the decimal point. Your answer is GM is equal to 3.85 is your answer. I think you got the concept. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like my video.